ESoC is an online program open to anybody keen to develop innovative weather and climate-related software. It's a great opportunity to advance open software related to weather, climate and air quality, and to meet world-leading experts in the field. Here are a few words from last year's participants.
The collaboration and meeting new people.
For me, it's a bridge to the world of weather science.
Provided an opportunity to dive deep into a subject which I have only scratched on before.
For me, to learn as a person and to improve myself.
It gave me the perfect opportunity of meeting some amazing people.
For me, it's a great opportunity to do what you like.
Why should you apply?
People should apply if they want to learn lots about weather forecasting. It's been a huge educational experience for me. If they want the opportunity to work on really impactful projects.
At the end of these few months, you can probably work with the world's top experienced researchers on their latest unsolved challenges.
To meet people from different fields, from weather forecasting and from other countries as well.
You should apply if you want to challenge yourself.
You will have experts to help you.
People should definitely apply for the next ESoC because you can know the scientific community and you can meet some amazing scientists, some people that are on the top of the field.
This year, ESoC has 3 streams. Stream 1 is weather-related software and applications. Stream 2, machine learning and artificial intelligence. And Stream 3, cloud-based weather and climate innovations. All challenges are listed on GitHub, or you can find the information on our website. How does it work? Step 1, the application period. Go to GitHub, choose a challenge of interest and submit your proposal by April 22, 2020. Step 2. Announcement of selected proposals. All selected projects will be announced on May 1st, 2020. Step 3. The coding period. From May until August, you'll team up with experienced mentors and experts to develop your project. Step 4. The final ESoC day. All results will be shown during the final event at the European Centre for Medium Range Weather Forecasts, headquartered in Reading, UK.
Let's innovate together.
Let's innovate together.
Let's innovate together. Let's innovate together.
Let's innovate together.
Let's innovate together.
ECMWF, Summer of Weather Code 2020. Let's innovate together.
Thank you very much.